The Mountz FGA adjustable cam-over torque screwdriver is an error-proofing tool that allows engineers to reduce the risk of over-torque on their assembly lines in production environments with critical fasteners often found in electronics, aerospace, and automotive manufacturing. Using a radial cam clutch mechanism, cam-over tools prevent the operator from applying too much torque to the fastener, preventing over-torque events, broken components, costly product returns, and safety risks. Cam-over technology reduces the possibility of operator error in the fastening directions, which ensures correct torque is applied. Providing the operator with an adjustable tool provides flexibility where torque values may need to be adjusted on demand, like maintenance, field service, and research applications. Mountz FGA hand tools have a calibration life 4 times the ISO standards that is unmatched by any torque screwdriver provider to keep your tools out of the lab and on the production floor. If you would like more information about FGA torque screwdrivers, request a consultation with one of our torque control experts today or visit us at mountztorque.com to learn more.